In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Now, QuickBooks Online does not allow you to permanently delete vendors because the system must preserve historical data. However, you can make them inactive, which essentially is going to be pretty much the same thing, okay? So you want to go to All Apps over here on the left, hover over Expenses and Bills, and click on Vendors. Now, whenever you do this over here, you'll be able to see it's going to basically show you the vendor list. And what you have to do is select the vendor you want to delete or, of course, make inactive. For example, this one, you want to go to the very right over here. And as you can see, if I actually scroll towards the right, there we go, there's going to be an arrow down. Click on it, and then from here, you can basically click on Make Inactive. And then whenever you do this, basically you can select if you want to make it inactive, click on Yes, Make Inactive, and there we go. The vendor is going to be made inactive, okay? So that's one way to do it. And now it says it's now inactive. There we go. It's going to refresh everything, and you'll be able to see that. There we go. Now, over here, you can also go and basically select more of them. So you could do these check marks. And then when you do so, at the very top, if you scroll up, you have batch actions, and you can make inactive multiple at once, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.